Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vercel for deploying no-code web apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to vercel.com. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the home page. You can sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. If you don't have one, create a Vercel account using your email address. Once logged in, you will see your Vercel dashboard. Next, click on the New Project button. You will be prompted to import a project from your Git provider. Select the repository of the web app you want to deploy. Once selected, Vercel will analyze the project. If it's a no-code project, Vercel will automatically detect the framework used. Review the deployment settings to ensure everything is correct. Click the Deploy button to start the deployment process. Wait for Vercel to build and deploy your app. Once the deployment is complete, you'll see a success message. You now have a live link to your no-code web app. To view your deployed app, click on the link provided. If everything looks good, you can share your app with others. For further configurations, click on the Settings tab in your project dashboard. Here, you can manage domains, environment variables, and more. Explore the Vercel documentation for advanced features and configurations. Now you are ready to enjoy the seamless experience of Vercel for deploying no-code web apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.